Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we are like hosting plans for Magento 2. So let's start. Which one is the best hosting plans for Magento? So first of all, we have the Nexcess. Okay, so you can choose this Magento hosting as it's one of the good hosting for Magento e-commerce websites. So you can go and check the plans and the pricing, like 34.30 per month they are billed, and concurrent users 20, this space 50 GB, domains 10, and bandwidth is 1 TB. Okay, so accordingly we can select any of the package from this Nexus website and get the hosting from this. Second one, we have A2 hosting. This is also very popular, and you can also buy the hosting plans over here, like 333.9 USD monthly managed VPS, right? So you can use this one, or manage dedicated servers you can use from this one. Siteground, again one of the most used for the Magento. You can use the Siteground also and check the pricing plans accordingly and purchase it. Then we have the fast comment comet. They have also a very good for the Magento, so you can also check the plans and get to know about the fast comet. Bluehost, you can go with the plans, right? So here we have the plan: shared hosting, dedicated hosting, or VPS hosting. Which hosting do you want to add? You can get the hosting from this Bluehost. Next, we have the simple servers. You can Magento hosting. You can take the Magento dedicated servers, or Magento dedicated. You can get the any of the servers and create that. Okay, and this is the manage hosting, that is Cloudways. Cloudways is one of the the best solution. Why? Because it has all the functionality, like running all the like in just in one click you will install the Magento, right? First, and they have the backups, right? They create the weekly backups, so you can restore that, and it's one of the reliable company, and you can purchase the plans accordingly, right? If you want to increase the plans, you can increase, decrease, whatever you want to do with the Cloudways. Is one of the best, right? The last one, that is called the AWS. You can also purchase the hosting plans from the AWS, because the load time, speed time, it's one of the super fast of that. So you can also check with the AWS, and yeah, these basically, if you I suggest the top three one, that is the Cloudways, Nexus, and AWS. You can go with these three servers, and your Magento speed is gonna be like in a like a rocket with this uh, already managed Magento websites. They all have the features like Redis cache, server cache, like everything they are inbuilt in the Cloudways. Basically, Cloudways have the inbuilt cache system, and full page cache and everything they are doing, and CDN they are also providing. So yeah, you can go with the these three top three Magento hosting servers. So yeah, you can get started and check the pricing plans accordingly and purchase it accordingly, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. So hope you will understand which of the best hosting plans we have, best hosting servers, that is Cloudways, AWS, and you can go Nexus. SiteGround is also good. Bluehost is also good. So you can check the plans according to the pricing. You can check the whether you want to purchase the dedicated server, VPS server, or like simple hosting as a server. So you can check the pricing plans and get from it, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.